your hair is actually not thriving and you don't even know. I don't know if you've noticed these signs I'm about to talk about, so that you will know if your hair is thriving or not. Number one, you have like excessive breakage. We already know that excessive breakage is actually not good at all, because this will not actually show the visible length retention that you ought to have. If your hair is breaking from the tip continuously, you feel like your hair is not even growing, because you end up breaking off inches that you've grown over the past few months. So if you notice that your hair is breaking in excess, your hair is not thriving. Number two, if you know you're experiencing excessive shedding. While shedding is normal, if you are experiencing it in excess, it is abnormal. So you need to check through when you're detangling your hair, how much hair you lose while detangling. Check your comb or your detangling too. If it is way more than normal, then there's a problem. Number three, if your hair feels so dry even after moisturizing. So I have some people say, oh, I moisturize my hair often, but my hair still feels very dry. That goes to show that your hair is actually not thriving, and you really need to look into it, get solutions that would help you, prevent excessive dryness of your hair. Because like we said, hair breakage is not good for you. So once your hair is dry, it is prone to break, and that is what we're trying to avoid, especially on this page. Moving on, if you notice that you have scalp issues ranging from lice, dandruff, itchy scalp, and the like. If you know that this is the category you fall into, you need to get help for your scalp as soon as possible, because these things can actually lead to stunted hair growth. If your scalp is affected, there will be no room for healthy hair growth. So you need to treat these scalp issues so I can see your hair flourish and thrive beautifully. So for the dandruff, just get anti-dandruff kit. That's your anti-dandruff shampoo, hair cream, treatment, whatnot. That will actually help you to solve the problem. And you need to regularly wash your hair. Some of you have dandruff and you don't prioritize washing your hair. By washing your hair, you are going to get rid of a large sum of the dandruff. Dandruff is, caused by a fungal yeast, right? So you need to get rid of it as soon as possible. So regular hair wash with an anti-dandruff shampoo. Listen, anti-dandruff shampoo, it would actually go a long way. If you notice that you have stunted growth, meaning you're not seeing like visible hair growth, that is also an issue, and this could be actually gotten from the fact that you are not retaining length. So our hair grows actually every month, minimum of half an inch every single month. So if you're not retaining this length that you're getting every month, you would feel like your growth is stunted. So try to prioritize length retention. That is by doing low manipulative hairstyles, and the way you take down the hairstyle also matters. So imagine you have your mini twist for like a month. You need to apply sleep on your hair, that is moisture. Spray water, apply leave-in conditioner, and unravel your hair gently. You need to gently take down your hair, because like we know, the tip of our hair is actually the oldest part of our hair, so it tends to break quite easily. But once you have sleep on the hair and on your palms, it will just slide or slip through. But once there's no slip at all, there will be friction between your fingers or your detangling tool or whatever you're using and your hair. So you need to put all this into cognizance, and it will help you over time. Most of the time people say, oh, your hair is gorgeous, or you have a lovely hair and all of that. I put all of this into consideration, because if you want something that is good, you need to strive for it, you need to work towards it. It is not just by yes say, or them say. You need to work towards having a beautiful long hair. If you have chapped edges, if your edges are nowhere to be found, if your edge line is scanty, then that means your hair is not thriving. Because one way to easily know a perfect thriving hair is from your edge line. You need to actually see like visible baby hairs, right? So if that is not in place, you need to try to restrain from tight hairstyles that will cause tension to your edges. Don't tight scarves around this place and all of that. Like, let this place breathe. And also do hairstyles that are edge friendly, and voila, this is basically it. Check out for these signs and work towards the solutions. You can check most of my previously posted videos. I have solutions embedded in them, and you can also get the ebook, the hair growth ebook, where I actually listed how to take care of your hair, how to take down your protective style to retain length, how to get rid of dandruff, how to grow out your edges, how to do rosemary oil, and lots more. The link is in the description box. Ensure you get yours, and you'll be glad you did. Right, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. As always, bye guys. You can bank on it.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.